Exploring the social dynamics of online micro-communities. In the digital age, human connection has taken on new and complex forms. One of the most fascinating developments is the rise of online micro-communities. Small, focused groups of people who gather around shared interests, values, or experiences. These communities exist on platforms such as forums, social media groups, messaging apps, and niche websites. Though often small in size, their social influence and emotional impact can be surprisingly powerful. Online micro-communities form around almost anything: learning a language, supporting mental well-being, discussing technology, enjoying a specific game, or sharing spiritual beliefs. Unlike large social networks, micro-communities offer a sense of intimacy and belonging. Members are not lost in the crowd. Their voices are heard, recognized, and remembered. This closeness encourages more meaningful interaction and stronger emotional bonds. One key social dynamic within micro-communities is shared identity. Members often develop a collective sense of us, shaped by common language, inside jokes, values, and norms. Over time, these shared elements create a cultural identity unique to the group. This identity helps members feel understood and accepted, especially those who may feel isolated in their offline lives. For many people, micro-communities provide emotional support that traditional social structures may not offer. Another important dynamic is participation and trust. Because micro-communities are small, trust builds more quickly. Regular interaction allows members to recognize patterns of behavior, making it easier to identify genuine contributors. As trust grows, people feel safer sharing personal stories, asking questions, and expressing vulnerability. This trust-driven environment often leads to deeper conversations than those found on large, anonymous platforms. However, micro-communities also face challenges. Social boundaries can become rigid, and disagreement may be taken personally. When group identity becomes too strong, it can discourage diverse perspectives and lead to echo chambers. New members may feel excluded if they do not immediately understand the group's norms. Moderation and empathy are therefore essential to maintain healthy dialogue. Power dynamics also play a role. Administrators and long-term members often shape discussions and influence group direction. When leadership is transparent and fair, communities thrive. When it becomes controlling or biased, members may disengage or leave. Healthy micro-communities balance structure with openness, allowing organic growth while maintaining respect. In conclusion, online micro-communities reflect a fundamental human need for connection, recognition, and shared meaning. Their social dynamics, identity, trust, participation, and power shape how individuals interact in digital spaces. As online life continues to evolve, understanding these dynamics helps us build communities that are not only connected, but also compassionate, inclusive, and resilient.